Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in the previous video I have given the solutions of quiz assignment 6 in programming in Java. In this video I am going to give you the programming assignment answers. So before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and like the video and share to your friends and watch the video till the end. So coming to the first question, complete the code segment to print the following using the concept of extending the thread class. That means class X extends thread. This format we should follow, and I'm going to show you the code. So friends, this is the code. I'm going to zoom this. First I'm going to copy this. After that I will zoom this, copy and going to paste it here. So first of all, clear this function and paste this here, and I'm going to zoom this for you. So friends, this is the exact code that should be pasted here. Here we have used extends thread. That's what they have given in the question, extending the thread class in Java. So if you see this, I'm going to unzoom this and I'm going to show you whether it is compiled or not by clicking on compile and run. So if you see this, the compilation is passed and public test cases are also passed, and let's submit this for checking of private test cases. And if you see this, the private test case is also passed. So friends, let's go to question number 2. In the question number 2, they have to asked us to thread using runnable interface and also complete the main class to create a thread object of the class, that is thread run, and run the thread. So let's go to notepad, and for the second question I'm going to copy this code and paste it here. Paste after the print of the comment section given in the compiler, and I'm going to show you the zoom. After zooming, the code will be like this. So this is the code you have to write in the interpreter. So this is the code. You can pause the video here and note that code, and after that watch the video whether it compiled or not. I'm going to zoom back to show you the result of the compilation. So I'm going to compile this and run this. So if you see, the compilation is passed and status is also passed. I'm going to see private cases checking, and if you see this, the private test cases is also passed. And coming to third question, so they have asked us to print the message nptel java, and here condition is that your program should utilize the given interface or class. So there are two parts here: creating a class named mythread and extend or implement the required class or interface, and define a method in mythread class to print the output. So if you carefully see this, let's go to third code. So friends, this is already given in the question. They have asked us to create a class named mythread, and using extend or implement we should use the class or interface. So I'm going to copy this, that is class as they given my thread, I'm going to extend this through b is the name of a other class. I'm going to copy and paste it in between them, because it is no need to do like this exactly, but for your clear understanding I'm going to create this by pasting it here. So it means I have created the class name my thread. And second part is defining. So once again go back, and in the defining case, this is the code we have to copy it, and I'm going to paste it here. And finally I'm going to zoom this. So I'm again zooming it. So finally this is the code. Under create a class comment, we should write class my thread extends b and the remaining code like this. So I'm going to zoom back. Let's see whether it is compiled or not. So if you see this, it is passed. Let's go for private checking of private test cases. And if you see this, the private test case is also passed. And let's go to fourth question, that is last but one question of week 6 programming assignment. And for this I'm gonna give you the code. So friends, before going to the code, you should just clear off all this they have given earlier. I'm going to clear all this, and you should write the code that what I will give. So this is the code. I will show you once again there and paste it here. And if you see this, this is the code. Friends, here there is no worry of indentation, because there is no indentation here. It's only exist in Python. So don't worry, and just clearly see this. These are comments that you can or cannot write. It is no compulsory or necessity. So I hope you have copied this by pausing the video, and I am going to zoom back and show you whether it is passed or not. So compile and run. So if you see this, the compilation is passed, and I am checking for private test case, they are passed or not. Let's see. And yeah, now it's visible private test case. There is only one private test case, and it is also passed. So let's go to final programming assignment of week 6 programming question, that is. So I'm giving a enter here. I'm writing in the next line. So fifth question, there is small code, because they have given majority of code. We should use these 2 lines of small code. I am going to paste this here. This is the necessary code, that is 2 lines. I'm showing you this. So this is the required code. So I'm going to unzoom this. I hope you have written, and I'm going to compile and run. So friends, if you see this, the status is passed. Let's go for private checking of test cases, private test cases. So if you see this, private test case is also passed. So friends, if you found this video helpful, subscribe our channel, like this video, and share to your friends. If you have any doubts regarding these answers, just comment in the comment section, and I try to reply to those valid comments. And until then, be safe, be happy, keep supporting us. Thank you, bye.